Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogtober Day
16.
If you've missed days 1 through 15, I've created a Vlogtober 2025 playlist. I will link it above and below, and you can catch up on all of the unboxing fun. If you are new, you've never watched any of our Vlogtobers or any of our videos, what Juliet and I are doing is we are counting down to Halloween. So we are doing 31 videos in 31 days, and we are opening gifts or just a gift on every day to count down. All of the gifts you see in these videos are curated by the one and only Grammi Dye. Thank you so much, Mom. Okay, so what do we got today?
Family.
Let's do it.
I think it's towels.
Oh, is it hand towels?
It might
It's Jack hand towels. Oh my gosh, and these are like the good kind that actually absorb water, because there's some that, I don't know if you ever noticed, they don't absorb water. I'll open these, but this is what it looks like with the bow. But I'll show you guys. It's got pumpkins, bats, Jack's face, and you get 2 in here. All right. And these are like these are nice towels. This is what they look like. Sorry, Juliet. These are super soft. I love these. Oh, I can't wait to use these. Maybe it says where she got them. I'm gonna guess Hallmark, maybe? I don't know. Maybe, Grammi Dye, when you watch this, you can leave in the comment where you got these towels, because I know people are gonna ask. These are awesome. Awesome. This was a great day 16. Anything you want to add? I don't know. Maybe you have some random thoughts you want to share with people. Not today. Okay, that's it for day 16. We will see you guys tomorrow for day 17. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!